Hi, I'm Nick Ortiz. I'm a board-certified disability insurance attorney in Pensacola, Florida. Today I'm going to answer the question that I get all the time, and that is, can I hire you if I'm not in your local area? The answer is, I can represent individuals pretty much anywhere in the United States. In fact, the world, and I'll explain to you why. If you're in Florida, I'm based primarily in Pensacola, Florida. However, we represent individuals throughout the state. I've represented individuals in Tallahassee, in Jacksonville, Tampa, Orlando, Miami, West Palm, pretty much anywhere in the state. The reason why I can represent people anywhere in the state is A, I'm admitted to every bar in the state of Florida. B, most long-term disability cases, not all, but most, are governed by a federal regulation called ERISA. Under ERISA, you do not have the right to a jury trial, and in most cases, you do not have the right to engage in extensive discovery. What that means is, at the end of the day, most of the work is paper-driven. A lot of brief writing, a lot of correspondence by mail. There are very few court appearances required. And as a result, I can handle a federal court case pretty much anywhere in the state. In terms of communicating with you, we use an electronic signature service for a lot of the correspondence, and then we email and fax and communicate by phone. So pretty much everything can be done by mail, fax, and email. Now, for those of you who are outside of the state, again, because most group plans are governed by ERISA, I can handle a case pretty much anywhere in the United States. And in fact, I have represented claimants from all over. For those of you in California, I also have a bar license in the state of California, so I can represent claimants at any bar in the state of California. For those of you who are outside of Florida and California, I also handle those cases as well. In fact, in the past 2 years, I've represented individuals from Alabama, Massachusetts, New York, Texas, Arizona, and several other states. What we do is we take each case on a case-by-case basis. I can either be admitted to your local federal court by what we call a pro hac vice admission, or I can file a lawsuit here in the state of Florida. Again, what we do is we take each case on a case-by-case basis. The long and short of it is, you should not allow my geographic location to limit your contacting me to see what we can do to help you. If you're in the state of Florida or California, then please give us a call right away at 850-308-7833 to discuss your legal rights. And even if you're outside the state, we do look at those on a case-by-case basis, so you should still give us a call as well at 850-308-7833, as we would welcome the opportunity to discuss your legal rights with you. We look forward to hearing from you.